leaves, broken glass, caked on dirt, a battery, crumpled tissues, paper clips, cookie crumbs to scratched CDs, cherry chapstick, plastic bags, 14 cents, 6 apple seeds, a bike repair tag from last month, bits of gravel, tumbleweed. It's 10 o'clock, the brake is set, all lights switched off, 4 doors ajar. Floor mats lying on the lawn, and I am cleaning out my pond.
Yeah, that's right.
Yellow pages, index cards, pretzel pieces, broken chains, coffee drips and coffee splatter. I drank a lot of coffee. A napkin with a mystery stain, a long expired parking permit, cat hair and a walnut shell, pear stems and a cough drop wrapper, chocolate covered caramel. It's 12 o'clock, the brake is set, all lights switched off, 4 doors ajar. Floor mats lying on the lawn, and I am cleaning out my car. With vinegar and dish detergent, Auric vacuum, Lysol wipes, I scrub and suck up memories of 2 years of my work-crazed life. Paper towels, armor all, spit and polish, sweat and tears. A coat of wax completes the job from top to bottom, front to rear. It's 2 o'clock, the brake is set, all lights switched off, 4 doors ajar. Floor mats lying on the lawn, and I am cleaning up my lawn. So many things that went unnoticed in the race to get somewhere. It feels so good to clear the clutter, change the filters, breathe clean air. I stand nearby to have a look. The car is gleaming in the sun, inside and out, a work of art. A day well spent, a job well done. It's 4 o'clock, the engine's on, I'm gonna take her for a ride. Proud of this, my own creation, once a mess, now beautified. The sun's still out, it's almost 6, I'm driving north to meet a friend, eating tuna on a It's time to clean my car again.